Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we share tips and strategies for personal growth and development. In this video, we'll discuss using failure as a stepping stone to achieving your goals. Step 1. Understanding failure. Failure is a part of the process. It's important to view failure as an opportunity for growth and learning. Successful people have experienced failure and used it as a catalyst for success. Step 2. Take time to reflect on your failures and identify what went wrong. Use failure as an opportunity to learn and improve. Seek feedback and advice from others to gain a fresh perspective. Step 3. Resilience enables you to bounce back from failure and keep going. Practice resilience by setting realistic goals, focusing on the process, and celebrating small wins. Use failure as motivation to try again and keep pushing forward. Step 4. Mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in how you view failure. Develop a growth mindset that views failure as an opportunity for growth and improvement. Use positive self-talk and visualization to stay motivated and focused on your goals. In conclusion, failure doesn't have to be the end of the road. Instead, use failure as a stepping stone to achieving your goals. Analyze your failures, practice resilience, and cultivate a growth mindset. Remember, success is a journey, and failure is a temporary setback. Keep pushing forward, and you'll eventually reach your goals. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more personal growth content.